Good morning. It is not a Monday morning, it's actually Wednesday morning. We have completely skipped all of the prep. I say we've skipped it in video. We have done it. This was supposed to be in on Monday. We've had the biggest nightmare in terms of time. Basically, it should have been in on Monday morning, and Porsche basically ballsed up their service or whatever it was going on with it. It didn't turn up until 7 p.m. on Monday. I then received it and found that one of the defects that I'd seen on the inspection had got worse to the point that the clear coat had failed. So I've then had to send the car off for another day to get this wing sorted. And now we've got another issue with it. So there is what looks like paint pop dash sinking is probably the better word for it, but yeah, it's majority done. The painter guy's gonna come wet flat it back for me while I start polishing the rest of the car. I don't have the time to deal with that on my own and get everything else done. I've got to get this PPF'd and coated and polished, wheels refurbed. That I've literally just dropped them off by Friday, so I'm pushed for time. I'm not going to be rushing, hence why I'm getting him to come sort that. It's his issue anyway. He's done the job. Not that he's done a bad job, it's just there's been an issue. It happens. Shit happens. But yes, I will take you around. It is a Porsche Boxster in the carmine red, slightly darker than Guard's red, but it has been neglected pretty badly, but it is used as a daily. Yeah, I'll take you around as usual, do all the defect stuff, and then we'll crack on. Cool. So I've got the whole thing polished. Finally, it's taken me all day. It's looking far better. I've just realised that I've now got to PPF the whole thing. I actually thought it was only a front end and track pack, but no, it's full car. So if things weren't tight already in terms of time, they're even tighter now. Yeah, I'm probably going to be working into the weekend on this one, but yeah, PPF next. The wheels are off at the wheel shop. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with PPF now. We are 3 o'clock, so I'm going to cut a few bits ready for the morning, and then I'm going to absolutely just smash it out tomorrow. I mean, the polishing has gone really well. I got really good results. It did need it. Yes, I could have PPF'd over the whole thing, but the colour wouldn't have been as nice, and the defects would have been under the PPF. So if you did take it off and sell it, or whatever, if you needed to take it off, you'd be left with a mess anyway. So yes, it's polished, PPF's next, then coatings, then the wheels should be back on Friday. They need coating, and that'll be it. I am hoping to get done before the weekend, but if I have to work the weekend, I will. So the joys of business.